effective way to learn programming and to become a software developer is what we'll be learning in today's video. So hey everyone, my name is Sujal and today I'll be discussing about the different effective way to learn programming in 2021. A lot of you are a beginner who wanna freshly start to learn programming effectively, then you must have a proper knowledge from where to kickstart and the proper roadmap to proceed further. What is the proper roadmap to mastery in programming? And I think a lot of you people are facing problem of knowing from where to start from. This is the biggest problem a lot of people they have. They don't know from where to start from, what resources to use and what to do next. So that's why I thought to make this video. Make sure you hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make more videos. So let's talk about why I make this video. What is the reason to make this video? So behind the reason to make this video is basically I saw a lot of people initially they have interest in programming like web development, Android development, data structure, algorithms, data science and tons of other things. Initially what they think that they will learn everything at the same time, but the fact is wrong, that you can't mastery in every field at the same time, that you have to give the time in every field at a certain time you have to give, then only you can mastery in different fields. So let's talk about what are the key points we have to remember while learning programming. Number one, learn only one programming language at a time, either Java, C++ or a Python. Why I'm saying this? Because I saw a lot of people that one day they are doing C++ and the another day they are doing Python. So the way they are learning is not a good way. So that's why I highly recommend you to stick with one programming language, either Java, C++ or Python, as I already told you. So shifting language day by day will take you down and at the end you will not become a good developer. Number two is go with the basics or clear your basics right. So why I'm saying this? Because basics are very important in learning programming. Why I'm saying? Because if you're not clearing your basics, then definitely you will find problem in upcoming topics. So if you select that C++ to learn, then make sure that your basics should clear. Then only you will not find any problem in upcoming topics. As I know that we are the human and we are very curious to learn the upcoming topics. So that's why we have to keep ourselves cool and calm while learning programming. That will be beneficial for us in future. Number three is always revise the topics which you have learned before. It means कि आप लोगों ने जितना भी टॉपिक्स पहले कवर कर रखा है तो उसको ऐसा करें कि आप हमेशा हर एक दिन उसको ओवरव्यू एक कर लें, सो दैट कि आपके माइंड में वो स्टिक रहे, वो कहीं माइंड से डेविएट होकर चला ना जाए. सो इसलिए मेक श्योर दैट दिस पॉइंट इज very important. Thanks for watching you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and bombard in the subscribe button. If you guys have any doubt related to all this stuff, please comment down below. I can help you by giving a proper answer to your query. And one more thing, those who are interested in web development and other stuff, I have given a WhatsApp group link in the description box. Please click the link to join the group. Have a nice day.